Good morning everyone. ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ ഓഫീസർ എക്സാം പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് TNPSC. First question. The first chemical used as herbicides. The correct answer is option C 2,4-D. The herbicides used for potato are, correct answer, option B flucloraline. Dash is an example for pre-emergence herbicide, and the correct answer is option A butaclar. Next question. Soils having dash structure warm up more quickly. Correct answer option B spheroidal. Bulk density of soil is more dash structured soil. Correct answer option C platy. The arrangement of soil particles is, correct answer option B soil structure. Next question. The Government of India declared fertilizers as an essential commodity on, correct answer option A March 29, 1957. The sorting of the unlike lots of the produce into different lots according to quality specifications laid down is termed as, correct answer option C grading. Next question. A particular procedure used by the seller to achieve a marketing goal is referred to as, correct answer option D marketing strategy. The program of the total farm activities drawn up in advance is known as, correct answer option D farm plan. The objective in planning the allocation of reserves is to dash the profit, correct answer option A maximize. Next question. The factor product relationship answers which of the following questions? Correct answer option C how much to produce. Farm management is called the science of, correct answer option A decision making. SMCR model was proposed by, correct answer option B Barlow. Next question. Noise related to which of the following element of communication? Correct answer option C channel. Important element of diffusion is, correct answer option D innovations. In adoption, individual applies new ideas on small scale to determine the suitability in his situation. This stage of adoption is, correct answer option C trial stage. Next question. Moisture content of the mushroom, correct answer option D 85 to 90%. Tricholoma giganteum is a, option A milky mushroom. The first oyster mushroom variety released by TNAU, correct answer option B. Next question. For every 25 rows of cabbage, 2 rows of dash raised as trap crop to manage diamond back moth, and correct answer is B mustard. National Institute for Plant Health Management is situated at, correct answer option B Hyderabad. Next question. Microorganisms used in the biological control of plant disease are referred as, correct answer option C antagonists. Application of fertilizer before or at the time of sowing is known as, correct answer option B basal application. Next question. Microorganisms used in the biological control of plant disease are referred as, option C antagonists. Application of fertilizer before or at the time of sowing is known as, option B basal application. Next question. Which plant nutrients are highly immobile in plants? Correct answer option D calcium and boron. Brine solution is a concentrated salt solution. Which vessels should not used for the preparation of products like chutneys using vinegar? Correct answer option A. Which is used as chemical component for peeling? Correct answer option A. Which is a rapid removal of field heat from the freshly harvested fruits and vegetables? Correct answer option B. Which of the fruit part of nut bug is used for processing? Correct answer option C. Next question. Example for a fungal nematode complex disease in flower crops. Option A, Crossandra wilt. The insect pest of citrus where only the adults are damaging stage is, correct answer option C, citrus fruit sucking moth. Grubs feed on roots and nocturnal adults feed on tender leaves and buds resulting in short holes in grapes is, correct answer option C, grapevine flea beetle. Next question. Vector for tomato leaf curl virus is, correct answer option C, whiteflies. Anticoagulant rodenticide is dash, correct answer option C, bromodiolone. Next question. Dash is effective nematicide and insecticide belongs to carbamide group, correct answer option B, carbofuran. Next question. Arrange the following methods in the order of sequence of implementation in IDM. And the correct answer is option D. A symptom of fungal disease of horticulture crops. Correct answer option B, Anthracnose. Directorate of Mushroom Research is located at, correct answer option C, Solan. Next question. Soil application of Trichoderma viridae effectively controls dash in tomato. Correct answer option D, Fusarial wilt. Irish famine is due to, correct answer option B, late blight of potato. Tissue culture banana plants are used to manage dash disease. Correct answer option D, bunchy top. Tamarind belongs to family, option A, Cisalpinaceae. Improved variety in tamarind released from TNAU is, correct answer option A, PKM1. Curry leaf belongs to the family, option D, Rutaceae. Next question. Manganese chelates contain dash percentage manganese. Correct answer option D. Coffee is a native of, correct answer option D, Ethiopia. Coffee belongs to family, correct answer option A, Rubiaceae. Next question. The leaves of aloe vera has to be processed within dash hours of harvest. Option A, 36. What is the botanical name of Kalmake? Correct answer option A, Andrographis paniculata. Next question. The household medicine aloe is prepared from which medicinal plant? Correct answer option A, Kalmake. Next question. Sanitary pruning is done in the crop. Correct answer option D, cocoa. Choose a sweet basil variety. Correct answer option A, Vikar Sudha. A 3-year-old plant of lemongrass will give an oil yield of dash kg hectare. Correct answer option C, 200 to 300 kg hectare. Next question. What is called natural depression garden? Correct answer option A, Sangan garden. Which component is called as garden adornments? Correct answer option D, statues. Which are the flower colors called as primary colors in the garden? Correct answer option A, blue, yellow and red. Next question. For Andurian cultivation, the most popular media used is, correct answer option D, cocoa peat. Trimming of plants to shapes of animals, birds, seeds, etc. is called option B, topiary. The grass used for making lawn in shady situation and required frequent watering is, correct answer option C, buffalo grass. Next question. How much flower yield can be obtained from 1 hectare of pitchi? Correct answer option A, 11,000 kg. How long Gundumalli flowers remain fresh when treated with sucrose boric acid? Correct answer option C, 72 hours. Which of the following is not a botanical insecticide? Correct option C, Neris toxin. What is a plant growth regulation recommended as comb dipping in tuberose? Correct answer option C, CCC. Sonia 17, Sonia 28, Emma White are popular variety in. Correct answer option C, Dendrobium orchid. Carriage splitting disorder in carnation is due to. Correct answer option B, boron deficiency. Next question, the good quality sucker which has pointed tip and narrow shaped leaves is. Correct answer option B, sword sucker. Write the origin of tomato. Correct answer option A, Peru. Botanical name of tomato, Lycopersicon esculentatum. Next question, the grade specified by Bureau of Indian Standards in tomato is. Option A, fancy. Seed rate for tomato hybrid in 1 hectare is. Correct answer option B, 100 to 150 gram hectare. Next question, seed rate for hybrid bhindi in a hectare is. Correct answer option B, 2.5 kg per hectare. What is a virus of bhindi? Correct answer option D, yellow vein mosaic. Papaya fruits are rich in. Correct answer option A, vitamin A. Next question, Kufri Jodi is a variety of. Correct answer option C, potato. Guava belongs to the family of. Option A, Myrtaceae. Which chemical is used to increase femaleness is dioecious type of papaya? Which chemical is used to increase femaleness in dioecious type of papaya? Correct answer option D, SADH 250 ppm. Next question, spongy tissue is a physiological disorder in dash crop? Mango. What is a rootstock in palm fruits if there is excess boron in soil? Correct answer option A, myrobalan plum. Next question, deciduous fruit trees enter into the rest period during which season? Correct answer option A, winter season. Choose the correct statement. Correct answer option A. Next question, tea is propagated through. Correct answer option B, leaf bud cutting. Bryophyllum is propagated by. Correct answer option A, whole leaf cutting. Next question, rapid removal of field heat from the freshly harvested fruits and vegetables is called. Option C, pre-cooling. By reducing the oxygen supply available to the fruit and by increasing the amount of carbon dioxide around the fruit, method of storage is called. Correct answer option D, controlled atmospheric storage. Next question, in which method of propagation the mother plant is cut dose to ground and the new shoots covered with soil at base? Correct answer option C, mound layering. Which is a modification of etiolation method? Correct answer option B, stooling. The media used in air layering is. Correct answer option B, sphagnum moss. In nurturing method of grafting, the grafts can be separated from other plant in. Correct answer option C, 6 to 8 weeks after grafting. Urea fertilizer comes under. Correct answer option C, amide. Example for non-edible oil cake. Correct answer option D, Mahua oil cake. What is a pre-emergent herbicide recommended for tomato for weed control? Correct answer option A, pendimethalin. Consumptive use of water is. Correct answer option D, amount of water used in evapotranspiration and plant metabolism. Thank you.